Tired of crickets chirping when you're trying to build your Wix web design business? Step 1. Network like your business depends on it, because it kind of does. Attend local business events, join online Wix designer communities, and actively participate in conversations, offering helpful advice and building relationships with potential clients. Step 2. Showcase your Wix Wizardry by creating a stunning portfolio website. Highlight your best Wix projects with clear descriptions and testimonials, demonstrating your skills and design capabilities to potential clients. Step 3. Optimize your own website like a pro, incorporating relevant keywords like Wix designer, web design services, and your niche expertise to boost your visibility in search results, making it easier for potential clients to find you. Step 4. Unleash the power of social media. Share your Wix projects, offer design tips, and engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to attract potential clients and establish yourself as a Wix expert. Implement these steps and watch those Wix client inquiries roll in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help other aspiring Wix designers succeed.